Hello everyone, this is lesson 16. So we will learn about the product rule and quotient rule today. Okay? All right, so we have a product rule first. So if we have f of x equal to u of x times v of x, then we can say that derivative product is the first. Let me write down first. So we have think f of x equal to, if we have first times second, then we want to derivative, then first derivative times second plus first times derivative of second. Okay, that's prime. All right. Okay, so we have, in that case, let me rewrite this one. So u prime v plus u v prime, so that we can easily apply those formula. Okay. All right. So let's do this one. Find the derivative of f of x equal to x squared using product rule, using power rule. So we learned power rule last time. So let's using power rule. So we have f of x equal to x squared, then f of prime of x, we drop the power 2x and reduce by 1, which is 1. That is 1. We don't write that, right? Okay, using product rule. So we have f of x equal to x times x. Now this will be u, v, right? So first prime times the second plus the first times the second prime, right? So we have u prime. Let me rewrite here. So f prime of x, u prime v plus u v prime. Okay, so f prime of x, u prime, which is 1, v, which is x, plus u, which is x, v prime, which is 1, right? So we have x plus x, which is 2x. We have the same answer here, right? Okay, now don't do this. Okay, so they had, there is warning like that. So the product rule, we cannot do it like that. If you do like this, I'm gonna call your girlfriend or boyfriend. Yeah. So don't do this. Oh, cannot. Yeah, don't do this. Don't do that. If you do that, I'm gonna call your girlfriend, boyfriend. Yeah. So means that I don't want to do this one because you might think about this one, right? Yeah. I don't want to do that. Don't do this. Yeah. U prime of x times v prime of x. Don't do this. Okay. All right. Should I do that example? Okay, let's do example. So common mistake. So we have f of x equal to x times x. Then some people do that. X prime and x prime. So there will be 1 times 1, which is 1. Yeah. But we don't get the 2x. Yeah. So that's incorrect. Please don't do that. If you do this, I will call your girlfriend or boyfriend. Please don't do this. Okay. All right. Let's do product rule example. So let's do it. Okay, they say that two ways. These two ways means we need to simplify algebraically first, then derivative, right? Or we can use just directly using product rule, okay? All right, then let's do two ways. So that will be u and this is v, right? Then if we want to make a y prime, we have to write down here, y prime, then u prime v plus u v prime. Oh, okay. So y prime equal to u prime, which is the 4 drop the power, right? 4t to the third power. And then the second term is 0. And then that's u, right? U prime. And v t to the third power minus 1 plus. Okay, you might get confused. So let me rewrite this one for you. Okay, because this is the first time. So we want to derivative respect to t. So t to the fourth power plus 1. And v t to the third minus 1 plus u t to the fourth power plus 1 v prime means that we want the derivative with respect to t to the third minus 1, right? Okay. Now we get that. So derivative of u, we get 4t to the third power. Then we rewrite v and u, which is same, t to the fourth power plus 1. We want the derivative of that. So we have 3t to the second power, right? And the second term is 0. Okay, now we do distribute. We have 4t to the sixth power minus 4t to the third power plus distribute. We have 3t to the sixth power plus 3t squared. Okay, common denominator, combine like term. So we have, this is a like term. So we have 70 to the sixth power. And this is a like term. That's it. So we have, oh, they're not like term. Forgive me. So there's a negative 4t to the third minus plus 3t to the second power, right? Make sense? Okay. Other way. Okay, so we do distribute first. So that, then we get t to the seventh power and minus t to the fourth power plus t to the third and negative 1, right? Okay, that will be, oh, we don't have to combine like term. So as it is, then we do dy over dt, then 7t to the sixth power minus the 4t to the third power plus 3t to the second power. The last one is 0, right? Which one is better? This is better, right? So always derivative is hard. So algebraic simplification is more easier, right? So if possible, simplify first algebraically, then we apply the derivative. That is the most easiest way, okay? All right. This one also you can use easy way, but this section, this lesson, it's about the product rule. So let's using product. right? So UV, then y prime, which is equal to u prime v plus u v prime. So we apply that. Y prime, u prime, so dx, 5x plus 3, v plus u, v prime. Oh, I did not make a prime. Rushing. Okay. D over dx. Okay, so we want to, this means we're looking at this one. We want to derivative with respect to x. So first term is a 5. And then rewriting this one. So x squared minus 2x. Nothing to do. 5, oh, missing plus 5x plus 3. Now, looking at this one, derivative with respect to x will be 2x minus 2. Yeah, okay. Distribute 5x to the second power, 10x, and plus 10x to the second power minus 10x, 6x minus 6. Yeah. Okay. Combine like term. 15x squared. Combine like term. We get, let me see, negative 10, negative 10, negative 20. And, oh, let me see. This is positive, right? This is positive. Sorry about that, positive. So negative 20, so negative 14 minus 6, yeah? So negative 14x minus 6. Good. Okay, let's do this one. This will be, oh, there's more. Okay. I thought this is the last one. All right, so travel agency arrange group tours. They give a discount for groups larger than 25 people. Their revenue function is given by that, where X is the number of people above 25. This is the size of a group, not age. Now, find the marginal revenue function. Okay, so revenue is the given. How do you find marginal revenue, right? So we denote MR with a bar, right? We did that yesterday. So there will be R prime of X. This one we have to use a product rule, right? Okay, then let me write down here. R prime of X, U prime V plus U V prime. So U prime, first term is 0, second term is 1. V, so 300 minus 10x plus U 25 plus x, V prime, negative 10, yeah? Oh, you want me write down? Okay, so let me write down this way. So, hold on 1 second. D of dx, 25 plus x, v plus u, and 300 minus 10x. Sorry, no space. Yeah, can you see? A little bit. put it over here. And then 300 minus 10x. Yes, that's how we got. Okay. Luckily, the first term, we have 300 minus 10x. And then second term, that's 250 with a negative. And then minus 10x. Combining like term. This is a constant like term. We have 50 minus 20x, yeah. Okay, that's the revenue. Basically, marginal revenue, right? Okay, now second part, find the marginal revenue if the group contains 30 people. Okay, so let me copy this one. And make it a little bit nicer. Okay, so we have 30 people, right? That means this is X is number of people above 25. So we can set it up X equal to 5. Come on, come on, come on. So since X is the number of people above 25, so we have a 30 minus 25, which is 5 for X. We are using that, okay? All right, so we have marginal revenue of 5 equal to the derivative of revenue function of 5. Then we have a 50 minus 20x. So 50 minus 20x, which is 5. Then we get negative 50. It's a dollar per person. Okay, now C part, interpret your result for part B. So we have a negative. That means, see, see. So if there are 30 people, they lose money, right? 30 people in the tour group. And one more. So marginal revenue means that you need for one additional one, right? So we learned the last time. So one more person in the case joins the group. The travel agencies revenue will decrease by $50. Okay. D, find the revenue size 30, 31. So what's the changing? When the group size increased by 1, right? So let me do this one. D. So 30 people we had. X equal to 5 earlier, right? Then revenue, I need the function. Okay. Okay, so R of 5 equal to 25 plus 5, 300 minus 10 times 5. Okay, so if we calculate this one, we get 7,500. Okay, for 31 people, since we say that 30 people as x equal to 5, in that case, x equal to 6. Let me copy this one. Okay. Then I want to change that. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. So if we calculate this one, 7,440. Okay. They ask us difference between that. So R of 6 minus R of 5. Then 7,500 minus 7,440. So that will be negative 60. So that is for they're losing money, decreasing for the 31st person, right? Are we done? Yeah, B, C, D. So we answer. Okay, now we have a quotient rule. So we have quotient, then how do you write? Let me write down here. Like a first prime times second minus first times the second prime. So let me use that order like a product, right? So u prime v minus u v prime over v squared. Okay, let's see using this order so that we can apply easily. All right. So we want to find the derivative of x to the third power x. Yeah, in that case, we can simplify, right? Then x squared by using power rule, right? That's the most easy way. So using power rule, so we drop the power, No, why keep doing that? Come on, no. Okay, so power or drop the power, x, that's it? Same as earlier, right? Okay, now quotient rule. So we have f of x equal to x to the third power over x. So this is a u, this is a v. Then we are using u prime v minus u v prime over v squared. Okay, so there will be, I need a space. Okay, so u prime, so let me write down this way. X, v, u, v prime over v squared. So v squared, nothing related with the derivative, right? Okay, let's derivative. The first term, first one, 3x squared. Then x times x minus x to the third power, derivative of x, which is times 1, right? Or over x squared. Okay, now we can simplify, right? So let's factor out with x squared. 3x minus x, right? Over and x squared. We simplify. So that's 1. So we have 3x minus x, which is 2x. Same as the answer, right? Yeah. Let's do this. Don't do this. Same as earlier. U prime, V prime. Here, U prime on the numerator, V prime on the denominator, right? Don't do this. Okay, so let me copy this. Don't do this. Copy. So I'm gonna call your girlfriend, boyfriend, if you do that. Okay, so f of x equal to x cubed over x. That's u v f prime of x. Huh. Don't do this. U prime over v prime. I'm not gonna write down. So f prime. Come on. F prime over x. That's we can just say that prime as well. So prime then 3x squared over 1, which is 3x squared. It's not 2x. Yeah? So incorrect. Don't do this. I'm going to call you girlfriend or boyfriend. Okay? All right. So let's do one more. So we have a more quotient rule examples. Okay, so we have, this is a u, this is a v, right? Then there will be u prime v minus u v prime over u, be careful, v squared, yes? Okay, f prime of x, derivative, I should make it smaller, x squared minus 4x, v minus u, v prime, all over v squared. Okay, so the first one, u prime, we get 2x minus 4. The next plus 5. minus x squared minus 4x, and derivative of x plus 5, which is 1, right? Or over x plus 5 squared. We need to simplify, so distribute 2x squared plus 10x minus 4x minus 20, and distribute x squared plus 4x, yeah, or over x plus 5 squared. Okay, combine like term, 2x squared. Oh, hold on, I did not see that. 2x squared minus x squared, and 10, negative 4, 6, and then 4, 10, and minus 20 over x plus 5 squared. Okay. I don't think we can factor out, right? With this number, right? If we cannot simplify, we just leave like that. All right, now we want to find instantaneous rate of change. Sometimes they don't say the instantaneous, right? Rate of change. And then we want to know about when x equal to 3, right? Okay, that means we want to find means derivative, right? Find derivative. And this means f prime over 3, yeah? We need to find that. So quotient rule, uv f prime over x u prime v minus u v prime over v squared, right? Okay. This is the last one. So there will be f prime over x u prime, which is d over dx, x to the third power 3x squared plus 2 v minus u v prime all over v squared. Okay, first term, we have 3x squared minus 6x, and then the last term is 0, right? We do derivative, yeah. Okay, now second one, just rewrite and rewrite. Now we want to derivative this one. The first term is 2x, and the second term is 0. So 2x or over x squared minus 4 squared. Okay, so let me find the space on. Okay, then we do distribute. So we have 3x to the fourth power minus 12x to the second power and 6x to the third power positive 24. And be careful the negative, and also we do distribute. Crazy. Okay, So let's take a look. Negative and 2x, x cubed. So negative 2x to the fourth power. And second one, negative is positive 6x to the third power. Yeah, so I am doing this one right now. And the third term, 2x times 2 and then negative, yeah? So it's negative 4x. Okay, now over x squared minus 4 squared. Combine like term. So we have x to the fourth power. And we can simplify. And negative 12x squared by itself. Negative 4x plus 24 or over x squared minus 4 squared. Yeah. Okay. Let's find out f prime of what number? 3. The instant rate of change. Okay. So we have 3 to the fourth power minus 12. 3 to the second power minus 4 times 3 plus 24 divided by x squared, 3 squared minus 4 to the second power. Okay, let's calculate. Okay, it looks like I made a mistake here. Please take a look. This is 6x to the third power, and then this is negative 20, positive 24x there, right? Can you see that? Okay, so it's x then positive 24, negative 20. Sorry, positive 24x and then negative 4x, which is 20x instead of 4x, 20x. So we have a 20x. Okay, I hope this is correct. Let me calculate one more time. Okay, so I made a lot of mistakes. Sorry about that. Too messy. Here we have a 24x, right? There is no 24, right? Because we changed that to the x term, right? So we have 24x minus 4x, which is positive 20, not the negative. And then we need to delete this one, right? Okay, it's a positive. And we delete this one. Yes? Okay, then we get 33 over 25. And then if they ask us the rate of instantaneous rate of change when x equal to 3, right? So we don't have to combining like term because the combining like term, we spend more time, right? More steps. So in here, we can just substitute 3 into there, then we can calculate. So we get 33 over 25. So this is an extra work. If we don't have to substitute, then we have to make a nice form, like a simplest form, okay? All right, so I'm gonna leave the last question for your practicing. So please do that. Thank you for watching. Bye.